want to give you some feedback today on the 2-Ways dual outlet water hose splitter. Big fancy name for a Spigot Y. Now, most of you have seen these before, but let me tell you what I think makes this such a better buy than a lot of the ones that you see. Number one, it is an all-metal body. While it is coated on the outside with rubber to make it easier to use, to grip, to hold on to also help with weather coating, the inside components, everything is all metal design. It does have a free-floating collar so that you can tighten and loosen this and keep it in exactly where you want it. With your valve handles always able to be up or wherever you want them, you can tighten or loosen this at will. The other thing I love about this is actually your valve handles here for your on and off. They're much larger than a lot of the ones I've used on these, much easier to control, much easier to use under pressure. These are ball valve designed to make them leak free, and this simple extended handle makes the leverage so much easier to turn these off and on as you need to do it. And one of the other pieces that I absolutely love, a small little attention to detail that I just think shows how much this company cares, is actually it also included extra O-rings to make sure that nothing is leaking. If you're like me, I lose the O-rings on the inside of my hose all the freaking time, and so having a few extra that came with this was a lifesaver for me. Overall, if you're looking for a good way to split the water coming out of your outside spigot, I think this is the way to go. This is the dual outlet water hose splitter by 2-Ways. Check it out.